Today we want to make a repair for the handle for this Yukon Denali 2009. So all you need is one screwdriver, flathead, 10 millimeters. That's it.
This is the lock for the covering for the bolt, and we have this number 3 covering open. So we have to open, should be to open this bolt and one bolt inside. It was to be with something for not make scratch for the covering for door. Should be to coming to make like that to save for the door. Make higher for the door. We want to open the lock for the handle. This is the lock. And also you want to open the switch for the glass for the door. It's thin. And you want to remove this cover. Now we have lock inside. We have lock inside. See it? We have this yellow lock. You need to push like that by hand, make back side. Now you can see it is open the lock. You can't remove the handle now. The handle is can't remove it now. Now you want to open, this is what he crack it over time. Again, you want to. You see now, you can see it backside. The bolt sometimes is not open. This is make a problem, and the bracket for the handle for the door. You want to fix there. That's the place for him. You see it? Okay. If you want to fix this, you want to remove this is a plastic for the handle, the seal for the.
Excuse me, some conflicting accounts from some other very high-level sources, and then we'll turn to our experts. So, first,
this is you want to open.
the heat of Donald Trump right now is
very easy to fix for you, and that's the piece you crack it. This is the piece, and this. Next time, if you don't now, you repair it now. This is now not a crack, but if you make safety now to make a glue for him and close it, because when you repair this, maybe after 1 month or 2 months, is a crack again for this size. So one time you want to fix now. You want to use this glue, like salsa for the kit, mixing like that by hand. So you mix again. He's coming. The color he's changed. He's coming like a silver or the. Now you see colors change. I mix it. Now you need to put little inside because you want to fix the bolt. To catch little for the bolt. And again, you want to put the glove roundabout for this. We fix all the glue in the place. We make full. Do you see it? Now you want to push the. Now you want to. Seals. See? Handle covering glue is coming high. Now we want to keep it 3 to 4 hours to dry. You see it? All is good now. Now we want to keep it 3 to 4 hours to make dry. Now it's ready. You see it? Strong one. If you need to remove again, you want a drill machine or a grinder to cut this piece, the same steel. Now start to fix. You want to fix first bolt. Second bolt. Again, make it tight. Take it easy when you try it. Because it's this plastic. And then also we want to fix the lock for the handle. It's inside. See it? It's inside. We want to make a button to push it. You see it? Some original one, or the same for the best for the original one. He's not coming again to. fix the bolt for the handle. Decoration, small decoration. It's finished now. Mr. Osama, you can see it. You open the lock. Okay. You can see it. That's good. You don't lose money.
Thank you.